Robin is climbing up with him. Now he does. He's trying to knock Robin off. Oh, that's not happening. It's Robin. What's Robin doing? He's dragging him to... Oh, no. Whatever he's thinking, it can't be good. Nothing's ever good when you're in the center of the cell. If you watched enough Hell in a Cell matches to know that. Whatever league it would be in. SCAW. Oh my God! And the Canadian Neckbreaker through the cell! Told you there was something not right up there. Reinforced chain link my ass. Cover. 1, 2. This one's over. No, he's still kicked out. Now he's got the stairs and hits Robin with the stairs. Now he's trying to go after the referee with the stairs and he hits him square in the face with the stairs. Then throws the stairs on Robin. And there's another Gauntlet cutter. The King has just went psycho here. You can believe he kicked out of that. Now he's going after the referee again. The referee trying to get out of harm's way. This is a clone of the original referee, remember? Oh, a steel chair to the referee. A steel chair to Robin. Now what's he doing? He's searching under the ring for something, I don't know what. Wait a minute, Robin, no, he tried to go for a baseball slide but missed it again. Wait a minute. Now Robin, drop kick. How's Robin still standing? Wait a minute, he doesn't notice that Robin's backed up. Wait, Robin dodged that one. You dodge that, wait, dodge that. Oh, it hangs him up. Oh, into a drop. Drops him. Oh, and then clips him. Just clips his leg. And now Robin's scaling again. King staring up at Robin. Is he gonna? Yep, he's climbing up too. They better be careful. There's a hole up there. Either one of them could fall through. Send him down. What is the King doing? Oh, that move. He's not gonna do whatever he's gonna do. It's not good. Wait, he gets shoved off. Oh, Robin, he got the crossface locked in. Will he tap out? This would be a first submission on top of the cell. If he taps out, this would be a first submission on top of the cell ever in history of the Hell in a Cell in AWWE. There's never been a submission on top of the cell. There's been submissions in it, but not on top of it. No. Clotheslines him. Now it picks him up again. He's going for Gauntlet cutter again. And no! Whoa! He hang on. Thank God. Thank God for that. Wait, and Robin drops down. He turns back around. And there's the Gujigatami on a broken chair. But no, the chair's over there. Never mind. Or did it bounce over there? Is that a broken chair part underneath him that I can't see? I can't tell. But I did see something fly up in the air. And I know he's got that Kujigatami locked in. And he snapped bones with that. Can Robin fight out of it or reach the ropes or something? And Robin manages to squirm out of it. Wait a minute, now Robin, out of nowhere, for the backbreaker. Cover, 1, 2, and no, he's still kicked out. And then super kicks him right out the ring and flies over the top rope with the knees. What a main event this has been. Kicks him in the gut. They suplex him into the cell. Now, and that one breaks. There's a modified, I don't know what that was. And then rakes the eyes with King. And then drop kicks him down. He almost took a nasty fall earlier. Now he wants to go back up again. Once again fighting on the top. The 15-foot, 30-foot high Hell in a Cell. There's a DDT. They're over 30 feet in the air. This man fell over 30 feet twice. Now what's he doing? Wait a minute. Oh my God! He just DDT'd him right through it! Oh, good Lord! That is it! 1, 2, and no! My God, he's still kicked out. He may be dazed, he may be confused, he may not know where he is, but he's still kicked out. He went for the 10th punch, but he gets shoved off. Wait, Robin, I didn't know he's going for Titan Tower, and connects. He connected with Titan Tower. Oh, then he gets the corkscrew. 1, 2, is he gonna get it? And no! And the Hurricanrana. Now he's going out the ring again, and he's gonna climb up again, I bet. Yup. He's climbing up again. King taking his time. Nope, he is running now. And now he's taking his time. Now he's going up the other side. I don't know what the point of that is. There was an arm drag, modified arm drag there. Oh, he just dropped him right through it. He just dragged him so he fell through. He hasn't moved, and Robin's just, he's just looking down like, what the hell? He hasn't